How to change your location on iPhone 2026. Go ahead and tap on settings. Now tap on general, scroll up until you get to language and region. Tap on it. Now you can see my region is US. So scroll up until you get to region, tap on it. Now you have to select new country of residence here. For example, I want to tap UK, tap on it. Now it brings out this information. Would you like to change the iPhone's language to UK English or whatever? So tap on each of the language you want. Once you do that, guys, your phone will restart. By doing that, you'll be able to change your location on your iPhone. Then you need to change this location on your phone app store as well. To do so, open the app store on your device. Go ahead and tap on the profile icon on top of the screen. Then tap your name. Tap on country and region as well. You need to select the country you want to use. For example, let me go and select a new country. So let me select a new country. Let me look for UK, or no, let me go for Nigeria. Now it comes out like this. Change your country or region. Then you need to preview your payment here. So here you need to provide your payment method. So you will need to provide your payment method and billing address. So for you to change your location on this setting, so tap on continue and provide all the necessary information. Doing so, guys, will be able to change your location on your iPhone. That's all. If you enjoy what I've explained and you've not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.